You say what?
I developed ischemia.
You develop what?
Ischemia.
Mother.
Ischemia is a problem. It's a sickness.
Mother, you are from accident and load dropping accident here.
Road transport
You are
accidents.
in hypertension.
I have high blood pressure from it. I have peptic ulcer from it. And I developed ischemia, the blockage of the artery that came from the heart.
Are you a doctor?
I am not, but I went to the lab and it was shown to me.
The way you're explaining all those things, you say you have ischemia.
I have ischemia.
Ischemia.
Yes, sir.
Ischemia.
Yes, sir.
What is ischemia now?
Ischemia. Ischemia is a blockade of the artery that comes from the heart. And for them to solve it.
Madam, this one you are explaining is like you and doctor are now working together.